Hello everyone, today I am telling you about the list box in Visual Basic. The function of the list box is to represent a list of items where the user can click and select the items from the list, or we can use the list box control as a simple memory to save data. In order to add items to the list, we can use the add item. The item in the list box can be identified by list index. The value of the list index for the first item is 0. Then the second item has list index is 1, and so on. Now list box contain all the items which we use in program. When we making any program in Visual Basics, we need many things. Like we can see here, arrow, this is the label, text, this one is command, option, check buttons, add items, and many other things. Here are the one example 1. Here we can, it's a form. Here we can write anything, add in text, remove, clear. Now how to code? Firstly, command, private sub command 1. Firstly, command 1. That means our first button is command 1. Here is 2 button. Guys, here is 2 buttons. First one is add item. Add item. List 1 dot add item. Text 1 dot text. Text 1 dot text equals to double quotes and sub. Now, what is the meaning of text 1 dot text? Copy anything in the text 1 to list, then after copy clear text first. Now command 2, private sub command button 2 is here. Now here is command button number 2, so as it is private sub command 2 underscore click curl brackets. Now if list 1 dot list index is greater than, here's the condition come 1 minus 1, then list 1 dot remove item list 1 dot list index. And if, because here we using the if, that's why we are putting here if and if. At the end we have to close the whole command, second command, that's why we are taking and sub. Next command button is clear. Now private sub command 3 dot underscore click brackets, then list 1 dot clear and sub. It's a normal. Now here we using 3 command buttons. These 3 are the command buttons. Now you can understand these 3 are the command buttons. Here we can give the command to the program. Now next point is now click on the add text to add item to remove. After running the program, click on the add text to add items. If you want to add something, here we have to add. To remove items, we must select this item first, then remove it. Firstly, we have to select any item, then we have to remove. If we having something, then we have to remove it. If we doesn't have anything, how can we remove? Okay, a second program, write a program in VB, include one text box, one list box, and one command. Showing that when input four color names from text box to the list box and select any color name in the text box, then the form background color will change. Here we have to change the background color. It's too simple, guys. We have add color name, just like blue, black, green, anything. You have taken anything, any color. Now we have one command button, and second one is our label button and text buttons. Okay, now here I have to start command coding. Firstly, I have one command button and list one is like this. Now private sub command 1 underscore click brackets list one dot add items and text one dot text equals to double quotes and sub. Here we have complete our first coding of our first command button. Now we have to come our list one. Here we using the list one. Now private sub list one underscore click. If list one dot text equals to quotes red quotes close, then form one dot back color equals to VB red. And if here we have to close the if. Now next, if list one dot text equals to quotes green quotes close, then form one dot black color equals to VB green. Now and if close our second if. Now if list one dot text equals to quote blue quotes close, then form one dot back color equals to VB blue. And if here we have to close if, guys. Now we are open the if again. If list one dot text equals to quotation magenta quotation close, then form one dot back color equals to VB magenta. And if and sub, here we have to close the if, then we have to close whole the program here. Now guys, our program is ready to run. Then you have to run this program. In my next video, I will tell you about how to run these program in VB. I will tell you. Okay guys, this is about the list box. Now our next topic for our next video is combo box, and after that I will cover up some timer box also. Thank you guys.